is Sonia Holtan. Welcome to my channel. Today I gonna unbox my new laptop from internet. Guys, new laptop from internet, guys. Here we go. It's a model from MSE, Business Productivity. And guys, this is my new partner for this year and next year. I hope so. It will take a years bago na naman bago. Bago na naman bibili ng bago, guys. Kasi kamahal-mahal. Hindi po basta-basta ang bumili ng bagong computer dahil mahal po siya, guys. This is it. Pansit. I wait this for a few days because my old laptop is already what is that? It's already slow, so I need a new one, guys, for my studying. And I need with a Microsoft. And this is one Bansit. Ta-da! What is this? Taran! A new laptop, guys. Maganda kaya siya? And what inside for this box, aside from this one? I have my, what is it? A handbook that needs to read before using, and a charger. Diba ang charger niya? Para naman ang pangit-pangit ng charger nito. Guys, ganito palang charger nito. It's an old model charger. Why? Why it's an old model charger? Ba yan? MSE, it's a model charger, guys. MSE is a model charger. Ta-da! My new laptop is a black color. And what inside? Guys, ta-da! Oh my God, this is a Intel Core i5 that good for the students. Guys, this is my new partner for this year and next year. I hope hindi siya masisira agad dahil wala po akong pambili ng bago na naman. Hindi pa naman po siya ganun kamura. So guys, new laptop of Sonia Holtan, my partner for 1 year. Ta-da! Have a nice day, everyone. This is Sonia Holtan. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.